Hey guys, it's time for the December mystery box, and this is a good one. Make sure you click the link in the description. I only get credit when you click that link. And I also have my code HAPPY, HAPPY, saves you 10% and gives you free shipping if you add a little bit to your cart. You have to have over $50 in your cart. And remember, everything is 50% off, and I'll tell you what you need, okay? So first, you need the mystery box, because look, it's a little yellow cutie. It's a sunflower cutie. These originally were only given out in the UK at a meet and greet. This is the first time they're given out in the United States and Canada. Yes, this box is for you guys too. Isn't it so cute? Now go place your order and come back and see what else you get.
You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
So that cutie does come in a box, but I had opened him up so he could breathe. You're also getting 12 by 24 paper. This is the basics. It has all these standard colors. These are awesome. You can make big, huge things with these. You also need a big 12 by 24 mat. It does not come in the box. But remember, accessories are 50% off. Or you can just cut the paper in half. You don't have to cut it this big. You can cut it if you only do small projects. And we got pens, glitter gel pens. These are some of my favorite pens. And remember, they keep adding more colors of pens, so sometimes they get rid of the older colors. So if you want to collect all the pens, you need to get these. These are glitter gel pens. A roll of navy iron-on. The Francesca sampler. This is pattern iron-on by Anna Griffin. This is another Anna Griffin iron-on patterns. Charlotte. And it has those patterns in it. And Nature Walk Basics Sampler. These are black and white patterns. These are really cool patterns. And you get the Anna Griffin Juliet Sampler in removable vinyl. It stays on until you decide to take it off. And a roll of Cricut transfer tape. You guys, this transfer tape is the best transfer tape. I use it over and over. You don't have to use it once and throw it away. You can keep using the same piece for a really long time. Love it. You also get a basics toolkit. I don't have that one. It's on its way. But it's a basics toolkit valued at $26 just for the toolkit alone. So you're getting a $160 value for only $39.99. Use the link in the description. Use my code to save 10% if you get your items over $50. And if you have access, you automatically get 10% off and free shipping. You don't even have to add more to your cart to get 10% off and free shipping if you have Cricut Access. If you don't have Cricut Access, you really need to get it. You're crazy not to have it. It pays for itself. All right, guys. I'll see you a little bit later tonight. Love you. Bye.